When did you realize you raised your child right? When I got a call from the school saying my teenage son was suspended for hospitalizing a classmate. I was mad at him in the moment because I never raised him to be violent, but after talking to him I realized that what he did was completely right. He told me that the kid he hospitalized was a bully, but this bully wasn't picking on my son. Instead, he was relentlessly harassing a boy with severe autism and ADHD, and had been doing so for the entire school year. My son told me that this boy was made the laughingstock of the class many times by this bully. He stole lunch from him and even destroyed his pencil case, a pencil case gifted to him by his late grandmother. He told me that during recess, he saw the bully hitting the boy on his head. My son ran over to help the kid after he was knocked to the floor. He dragged the bully off, then managed to land a punch directly to his nose, breaking it and hospitalizing him. I told my son that although I don't think violence is always the right answer, in this case it was, and I was genuinely proud of him.